Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how you can clear out old unpaid bills on your QuickBooks account. Now, of course, you need to be signed into your account, and once you are here, I want you to look on your left-hand side. This is going to be your main menu here, and you want to click on the second to the last option that says expenses. So what you want to do is click on expenses. It's going to load you up here. So if you have any expenses here, paid, unpaid, upcoming, it's going to pop up here. Now, here's the thing. By default, it's going to say all transactions. So if you click on this, you want to go and highlight bills. And this is where all your bills are going to be. And if you click on filter, you're going to see the status option here and this pop up. So if you click the drop down menu, it's going to be all open, overdue, or paid. So unpaid is going to be open, meaning again, open is you haven't yet resolved the payment for that option. If you click on that and then click apply, right, all the unpaid bills are going to be here, and you're going to have an option for you to clear out or delete those unpaid bills, whether or not maybe you've already resolved that, or you've already paid for it, or you maybe just canceled that bill. So pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.